evaluate the integral of cotangent to the fourth x dx. So if we just have the integral of the power of cotangent raised to an even exponent, which is 4, we split the exponent into cotangent squared x times cotangent squared x. And then for this cotangent squared x, we rewrite in terms of cosecant squared using Pythagorean identity. So we have integral of cot squared x times cotangent squared x in terms of cosecant. That's cosecant squared x minus 1. Pythagorean identity. Then we distribute, multiply cotangent squared x. So we'll have integral of cotangent squared x times cosecant squared x. Then minus cotangent squared x times 1, cotangent squared x. Okay, notice we can already evaluate the integral of cotangent squared x cosecant squared x by using substitution. You can just let u be equal to cot x, and its derivative will be cosecant squared x dx with a negative sign. Okay, but for this cotangent squared x, it's not yet integrable, but we can apply the Pythagorean identity again. So we have integral of cotangent squared x cosecant squared x minus cotangent squared x is equal to cosecant squared x minus 1. Then let's distribute the negative sign. We'll have integral of cotangent squared x cosecant squared x minus cosecant squared x, then negative times negative 1, positive 1. So cosecant squared x is already standard integral formula, right? Equal to negative cot x, and 1 dx or dx is also integrable. So we can now integrate each term. We distribute the integral symbol first. So we'll have integral of cotangent squared x times cosecant squared x dx, then minus the integral of cosecant squared x dx, plus the integral of 1 dx or simply dx. So for this one, we apply u sub. We let u be equal to cot x. Its derivative of u du. Derivative of cotangent is negative cosecant squared x dx. So what we need is just positive cosecant squared dx. We eliminate the negative sign here by dividing both sides of the equation by negative 1. So we have du over negative 1 or negative du equal to, canceling out the negative, we have positive cosecant squared x dx. If we substitute, we'll have integral of cotangent x, which is u, raised to the second power, and then this cosecant squared x dx is equal to negative du. So we put the negative in front, constant. So I have negative integral of u squared du. And then applying power rule, we have negative integral of u squared du is equal to u to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, or u cube over 3. And then the final step is to replace back the u in terms of x, which is cotangent x. So we'll have negative 1/3 u, which is cotangent x cubed. Then for the second term, its integral is negative integral of cosecant squared x. It's negative cot x. So negative times negative will have positive cot x. And then plus the integral of dx is x. So therefore, combining the three integrals, the final answer will be negative 1/3 cot cube x plus cotangent x plus x, and then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration.